Let's see how to easily translate WhatsApp messages. Go to your WhatsApp and go to the chat or conversation where you want to translate a text or message. So this is the text I'm going to translate. So I'm just long pressing this text to select. Now you can select one or multiple message to translate. Tap on this three dot and here tap on translate. And now translate from, we have to select our translate from language. So tap on choose, and from this available language you can download any language, or you can just tap on automatic language detection, automatically detect which language to translate. So just tap on this download icon next to it. Once it's downloaded, tap on continue and just tap on translate, and your text will be translated to the selected language. And if you want to automatically translate a specific chat all message, then just go to the chat, tap on the chat name, turn on this translate messages option, and select here translate from language and translate to select here language, then tap on translate. And now on this conversation all messages will be automatically translate to the selected language. Thanks for watching.